Hangzhou Leisuwash Cleaning Equipment Company is a professional touchless car wash equipment manufacturing. We have insisted on taking customers' needs, innovative technology, and personalized design as a starting point. Now, we proudly launch our newest masterpiece, the Leisuwash 380 Plus. Leisuwash 380 Plus owns 4 core technologies. One of the core technologies is the bus servo motion control system plus AI 3-axis motion control technology, which realizes the networking operation of motion controller. AI 3-axis motion control technology. The rotation, lateral movement, and the longitudinal movement can be coordinated at the same time, making every second of the cleaning process more efficient. The time for each corner is shortened from 5 seconds to 1.5 seconds. The nozzles always focus on the vehicle to achieve uniform coverage without wasting any consumables. Increasing the operation control speed not only saves the amount of chemicals and water, but also greatly improves the efficiency of car washing. The second core technology is ultrasonic radar fusion detection. This electronic vehicle sensing technology eliminates the need to use photoelectric beams to identify the vehicle's position, and there is no need to install limit blocks on the ground. Vehicles can be parked freely, whether they are parked on the left, right, or diagonally. They can be automatically identified, creating a more open car wash space for your customers. Ultrasonic fusion detection technology, combined with the bus servo control system, can accurately measure the width and length of the vehicle, can also automatically identify the vehicle's spare tire, and always maintain the optimal flushing distance of 35 centimeters to achieve better cleaning results with unparalleled safety and efficiency. The third core technology is a 3-in-1 main control frequency conversion system, which integrates a number of innovative patented technologies and achieves a perfect 3-in-1 integration of chemical proportioning, high-pressure pump station, and frequency conversion main control. Frequency conversion control, smooth startup, smooth operation, can reduce damage to drag chains, high-pressure pipelines, motors, and transmission mechanisms, extend the lifetime of equipment, and reduce more maintenance costs. The fourth core technology is app network remote control. Users can remotely monitor and operate Leisuwash 380 Plus equipment through independent app accounts and passwords. The same account can be bound to multiple car washing equipment. Leisuwash 380 Plus can realize remote software upgrade services, data report query, remote start and stop, and other functions. We are committed to providing our customers with the most innovative equipment that reflects our tradition of performance, reliability, and quality. The Leisuwash 380 Plus raises the standard again, increasing revenue and reducing operating costs for users. The 9 major product advantages of Leisuwash 380 Plus will help you increase your profit potential. Leisuwash 380 Plus has a luxurious industrial exterior design, adopts a double-layer panel concave fully enclosed design, which reduces the machine's exposure to harsh cleaning environment and increases overall reliability and maintainability. The front and rear panels can be freely flipped up by hydraulic struts, and the one-button buckle device makes maintenance more convenient. It is equipped with a panel lighting control system and exquisite detail processing, showing luxury and dynamism everywhere. The ultra-wide main machine design of nearly 4 meters provides users with a large car washing space, where large and small cars can be parked freely. Leisuwash 380 Plus LED front panel lighting control system, combined with the car wash program, seamlessly changes different lighting colors. Leisuwash 380 Plus luxurious appearance design of rotating arm. It is developed and designed with multiple modes, and the material is made of anti-collision soft rubber. When it collides with a vehicle, it will not cause any damage to the vehicle. With the intelligent anti-collision system, it can automatically reset or avoid obstacles to continue cleaning the vehicle. When the rotating arm is running, the two LED colorful marquee with their gorgeous dynamic effects not only attract the eyes but also please the customers and allow customers to experience the fun of dynamic car washing. The unique double-row nozzle angle design of rotating arm for vehicles with rear window deflectors. The groove below the rear window deflector is a blind spot for cleaning and is difficult to reach. The unique double-row nozzle angle design of Leisuwash 380 Plus will greatly improve the cleaning problems of some special vehicles and win more favor from customers. Product quality, operational stability, and low failure rate are crucial to an automatic car wash machine. Stable and continuous output may bring value to users far higher than the purchase cost of the equipment itself. The Leisuwash 380 Plus is designed and manufactured by 304 stainless steel, which offers excellent corrosion resistance and allows for efficient and stable operation in harsh washing environments. This also significantly extends the lifetime of the machine. All sensors of the Leisuwash 380 Plus machine are connected by Aviation Quick Plug. Aviation plugs not only have the advantages of strong anti-interference, anti-vibration, waterproof, and dustproof, but also can greatly save the time of replacing sensors and effectively reduce the maintenance cost of equipment. Users can also remotely set the water pump pressure and fan noise through the touchscreen on mobile phone. The touchscreen on mobile phone can also remotely program the car wash program and speed. Hangzhou Leisu Cleaning Equipment Company focuses on the research, development, and manufacturing of touchless car wash equipment and always drives industry changes.